Hello mga katuto! Welcome to One-on-One TV and Tutorials. Ang lesson natin ngayon ay part 2 ng arithmetic sequence. Ilalagay ko ang link ng part 1 sa itaas para mapanood ninyo yung first part ng arithmetic sequence. Ito yung formula ng arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus the difference of n and 1 times d, where a sub n is the last term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. Dito sa lesson na ito, pag-aaralan natin ang mga sumusunod. Finding the nth term of arithmetic sequence, finding the number of terms of arithmetic sequence, finding the common difference of arithmetic sequence, and finding the first term of arithmetic sequence. Unahin natin ang finding the nth term. Example number 1, find the 75th term of 45, 51, 57, 63, 69. So, ang unang gagawin natin ay gamitin natin ang formula ng arithmetic sequence. Then, tignan natin yung mga given values. Ang ating a sub n or yung last term ay a sub 75. Ang ating first term ay 45. N is the number of terms, so that is 75. Minus 1, then d or the common difference. So dito, kunin natin yung common difference. 51 minus 45, that is 6. 57 minus 51, that is 6. 69 minus 63, that is also 6. So therefore, the common difference is 6. Then, a sub 75 equals 45 plus 75 minus 1 is 74 times 6. A sub 75 equals 45 plus 74 times 6, so that is 444. Then the sum of these two numbers is 489. So therefore, the 75th term is 489. So let's have this one. Finding the number of terms. So these are the given values. A sub 1 is 28. D is equal to 6. A sub n or the last term is 340. Find the number of terms. So gagamitin pa rin natin yung formula ng arithmetic sequence. Ang ating a sub n or last term is 340. A sub 1 is 28. N is unknown, minus 1 times d, which is 6. Then 340 equals 28 plus n times 6 is 6n. Negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. Pag nilipat natin itong 28, ito ay magiging negative 28. Kung negative 6, ito ay magiging positive 6. Then 340 minus 28 plus 6 is equal to 318 equals 6n. Then divide both sides by 6. Then ikakancel natin yung 6, so may iwan na lang ay n. 318 divided by 6 is equal to 53. So therefore, there are 53 number of terms. Okay, let's have another example. Finding the common difference. If a sub 100 is equal to 787 and a sub 1 is equal to 94, find the common difference. So gagamitin pa rin natin yung arithmetic formula. Then substitute natin yung mga given values. Ang ating a sub n is 787 equals, yung a sub 1 natin ay 94 plus yung n natin is 100 minus 1 times d. 787 equals 94. 100 minus 1 is equal to 99 times d. Then ilipat natin itong 94 sa kabila, so ito ay magiging negative 94. So that is 787 minus 94 equals 99d. Pag sinubtract natin itong dalawang numbers na ito ay 693. Then divide both sides by 99. Then cancel natin yung 99, so may iwan na lang ay d. 693 divided by 99 is equal to 7. So therefore, ang common difference ay 7. Okay, let's have another example. If a sub 61 is equal to 13 and a sub 1 is equal to negative 32, find the common difference. So gagamitin natin yung ating formula. Then a sub n is equal to 13, a sub 1 is equal to negative 32, n is the number of terms which is 61, minus 1, then d. So that is 13 equals negative 32 plus 61 minus 1 is equal to 60 times d. Then ilipat natin itong negative 32 sa kabila, so ito ay magiging positive. So that is 13 plus 32 equals 60d. The sum of these two numbers is 45. Para makuha natin yung d, i-divide natin both sides by 60. Then cancel natin to, so may iwan na lang ay d, then 45 over 60. Kung kukunin natin yung lowest term nito, so ang gagawin lang natin, kunin natin yung GCF niya, which is 15. So 45 divided by 15 is 3. 60 divided by 15, so that is 4. So therefore, the common difference is 3/4. Okay, let's have another example. Finding the first term. If a sub 45 is equal to 535 and d is equal to 8, find the first term. So gagamitin pa rin natin yung ating formula. Then substitute natin yung mga given values. Ang ating a sub n is 535. Ang a sub 1 is unknown. Ang n natin is 45 minus 1 at ang d natin ay 8. Then 535 equals a sub 1 plus 45 minus 1 is 44. Then 535 equals a sub 1 plus the product of these two numbers is 352. Then ilipat natin itong 352 sa kabila. So ito ay magiging negative. So that is 535 minus 352 is equal to a sub 1. The difference of these two numbers is 183. So therefore, the first term is 183. Okay, so let's have another example. If the sixth term is 84 and the 12th term is 108, then what is the first term? So ang unang gagawin natin dito ay illustrate natin yung mga given values. So meron tayo ritong a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3 hanggang a sub 12. Sabi rito, ang sixth term is 84. So ilalagay natin dito yung 84. Then, ang 12th term dito is 108. So dito sa 12th term, ilalagay natin ang 108. Then dito sa a sub 1 ay unknown. So gamitin natin yung ating formula para makita natin kung ano-ano yung mga given values. So meron tayo ritong a sub n, yung last term, which is 108. A sub 1 is unknown. N is the number of terms, so meron tayong value. Then d, wala tayong value ng d. So makikita nyo rito, meron tayong dalawang unknown. Yung common difference, saka first term. So ang unang gagawin natin dito ay kunin natin yung common difference. So, assume natin na yung 84 ay first term. Then, yung 108 ay seventh term. Then, substitute na natin yung mga given values. Ang ating a sub n or last term is 108. Ang ating a sub 1 is 84. Ang ating n is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, meron tayong 7 terms minus 1 times d. Then, 108 equals 84 plus 7 minus 1 is 6 times d. So, that is 6d. Then, ilipat natin itong 84 sa kabila. So, ito ay magiging negative. So, that is 108 minus 84 is equal to 6d. Pag sinubtract natin itong dalawang numbers na ito ay 24. Then, divide both sides by 6. Then, cancel natin yung 6. So, 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. So, ang common difference natin ay 4. Okay, so kunin na natin ang ating first term. So, dito hindi na natin isasali itong representation na ito. So, gamitin natin yung ating formula. Dito, para makuha natin yung first term, ito na yung basis natin. A sub n or yung last term natin is 108. Ang ating a sub 1 is unknown. Then ang n natin is 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4 hanggang dito. So that is 12 minus 1 times d which is 4. Ito yung computed common difference natin kanina. So 108 equals a sub 1 plus 12 minus 1 is equal to 11 times 4. Then 11 times 4, so that is 44. Then ililipat natin itong 44 sa kabila. So ito ay magiging negative. So 108 minus 44 is equal to a sub 1. Pag kinuha natin yung difference nito, this is equal to 64. So therefore, the first term is 64. So ito na yung ating first term. Ganyan lang mga katuto kung paano ang finding the nth term, number of terms, common difference, and first term of arithmetic sequence. Para mas lalo nyo pang maintindihan ang lesson natin ngayon, pwede nyo ring sagutan ang mga sumusunod na mga tanong. Sana nakatulong ang video na ito para mas lalo nyo pang maintindihan ang lesson nyo sa mathematics. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!